check out this truck over here earlier. I saw there was people inside. So let's see what's going on here. 1-for-1 vehicle check.
Ito yung ginagawa ngayon ng Officer Gregorio. Tinicheck itong suspicious looking car na nakaparada. Matalas ang mata nito ni Officer Gregorio. Bago namin inikutan yung complex kanina, nakita niya na ito nakaparada lang. Kaya sinilip. Ito yung sinasabing normal procedure kapag may nakita ng parang suspicious looking, lalo ng pagparada nitong pickup na to sa isang tahimik na lugar. May kasama ata siyang isa. So kaya agad namataan, nilapitan ni Officer Gregorio dahan-dahan kanina. Iba nga talaga yung estilo ng mga pulis dito sa Amerika. Matatalas yung mga mata. Anumang bagay makita, sinacheck agad, inuusisa agad.
So basically, I'm just running their name out to make sure they're not wanted or on probation or anything like that. They said they parked over here and that they were just making a phone call. But, you know, we'll see if that checks out. They're probably telling the truth, but you never know. Okay, here's our second unit.
Ito makikita yung isang katandem niya dumating, naniniguro. Tinitingnan din nitong si Officer Gregorio kung may warrant, kung under probation o ano man yung mga records nitong mga subject na to. Kaya kinakapa. Ito yung standard operating procedure sa ating nga kanina. Titingnan natin kung anong magiging kahihinatnan o ito nga ba'y makakalaya na mamaya or SOP lang nila. Malay mo, baka may makita tayo dito sa mag-aantabay tayo. Sinasagawa pa rin ang pagsisearch, paghahalughog, paghahalungkat ng mga gamit sa loob. Legal to. Kapag ikay na-flag down or kahit na nakaparada, pag medyo kahina-hina ang kilos mo, kaya call na yan ng mga polis. Tabayan na lang natin.
Alright, thank you guys. Alright, is everybody in here?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. They claimed that they were just parked over here. They were using the phone. I talked to them and they were really cooperative, so they didn't give me any problems or anything. All that stuff they had in the back was something it wasn't really worth. But you know, the reason why I went ahead inside to check them is, you know, we've been having a lot of burglaries in the area, you know, and then, you know, it's late at night. Here they are in the car, you know, doing whatever they're doing. You know, I wanted to make sure there's no drugs there, nothing illegal there. In this sense, we got all their information, their license plate number. So if we ever have any issues tomorrow or whatever, we can always look back to this and say, hey, look, I remember talking to those two guys last night. Maybe they're the guys we're looking for. They're the ones responsible for, you know, doing whatever. So in that sense, the officers came over here to assist me. We were able to check them both out. They came back clear. Checked out the car. Car's clear. We're good to go. Car's 1-for-1 with clear.